In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a payment link using Stripe. Whether you're running a small business or just need to collect payments from someone, payment links make it incredibly easy for your customers to pay you. If you're not familiar with Stripe, it's a powerful and user-friendly platform used by businesses of all sizes to accept payments online. Now let's dive right into the process and set up a payment link together. First, we'll start by heading over to the Stripe website. If you don't have a Stripe account yet, you'll need to create one, but if you've already signed up, go ahead and log in. Once you're inside your Stripe dashboard, you'll notice a menu on the left-hand side. From here, you're going to want to click on the Payments option. This section is where you'll manage everything related to your payment processes. Moving on, within the Payments menu, we'll focus on the Payment Links section. Here, you can create a new payment link by clicking on the New button. This feature allows you to generate a simple URL that you can share with anyone to collect payments online. It's a great tool if you want to avoid the complexities of setting up a full online store. Let's customize the link now. You'll be presented with a few fields to fill in, starting with choosing the type of payment. For this demonstration, we'll select Customer Choose What to Pay. This option is perfect if you're allowing your customers the flexibility to decide the amount they want to pay, such as in donation scenarios. Next, you'll enter the necessary information such as the title of your payment link. This should be a clear and concise description of what the payment is for, ensuring your customers understand exactly what they are paying for. If you want, you can include an image alongside your title and description. An image can make your payment page more visually appealing and help communicate your brand. Don't forget to select the appropriate currency for your transaction. Depending on where your customers are, choosing the right currency can help avoid any confusion. Stripe also gives you the option to set limits on the payment link. This feature can be useful if you want to cap the amount a customer can pay. Additionally, there are advanced options available, such as customizing checkout options and collecting customers' addresses. These can be incredibly beneficial if you require specific information from your customers at checkout. Once you've configured all these details to your liking, you're ready to go. The link is live and you can start sharing it with your customers. This concludes our guide on creating a payment link using Stripe. With Stripe's intuitive setup, collecting payments is now simpler than ever.